Whether you're a DIY enthusiast, a tech geek, or someone who just loves smart solutions for everyday problems, today's video is packed with incredible tools and gadgets that will make your life easier and more efficient. So let's dive into the top 5 must-have tools and devices that are built to impress. Links to all products are mentioned in the description below. Let's get started at number 5. MeLE Mini PC. If you're looking for power in a pocket-sized package, the MeLE Fanless Mini PC stick delivers outstanding performance in an ultra-compact design. Powered by a 12th Gen Intel Alder Lake N100 processor, this device features 8GB LPDDR4X RAM and 256GB of fast eMMC storage, making it ideal for streaming, browsing, light editing, and even work-related tasks. It supports 4K video output through HDMI and USB-C DP 1.4, while also offering Gigabit Ethernet and Wi-Fi 5 connectivity. It has a fully unlocked BIOS with PXE boot, Wake on LAN, and other pro-grade settings. With dual USB 3.0 ports, Bluetooth 5.1, and micro SD expansion up to 2 terabytes, this is the ultimate stick PC for users who demand performance and portability. Number 4. Coin Storage Box. Say goodbye to loose change rolling around your car with this practical car coin organizer. This plastic savings box features stackable layers designed for different euro coin denominations and fits perfectly in your vehicle's console or glove box. Built from sturdy, wear-resistant plastic, this organizer ensures your coins are neatly sorted, easily accessible, and safely stored. With multiple sizes and styles, it's perfect for toll roads, parking meters, and keeping spare change organized while driving, a small product with a big impact on your daily commute. Number 3. Sewing Machine Mini. Need a powerful solution for stitching industrial materials or heavy-duty fabrics? The GK9890 portable electric sewing machine is your go-to companion. With a high-speed 2600 stitches per minute output, it's built to handle textile, agriculture, and packaging tasks with ease. Weighing only 3.9 kilograms and offering up to 10 millimeter stitch length and 6 millimeter thick sewing capacity, this machine performs like an industrial beast in a compact form. Whether you're sealing woven bags, working with canvas, or repairing heavy garments, this tool is a professional-grade solution that's still easy to transport and store. Number 2. Screwdriver Bit Set. Next up, the high-spec 50-piece extra-long screwdriver bit set is a dream for anyone dealing with electronics, automotive work, or household repairs. Each bit is crafted from durable chrome vanadium steel and measures 75 millimeters long, perfect for reaching screws buried deep in hard-to-access areas. The magnetic tips ensure stable grip and reduce slippage, while the blow-molded case keeps everything organized and portable. This set includes Torx, hex, Phillips, spline, and more, covering almost every bit type you'll ever need. Built for reliability and convenience, it's a toolkit essential for professionals and hobbyists alike. Number 1. Tile Cutter Chamfer. Precision meets practicality with this 45-degree angle tile chamfer cutter, the ultimate tool for clean, accurate cuts on smooth bricks and ceramic tiles. Designed for DIY home improvement and professional use, this support mount lets you achieve beautiful corner cuts effortlessly. It operates smoothly on tiles under 12 millimeter thickness and features a pulley system for glide-like operation. For thicker tiles, the design allows manual mending without compromising aesthetics. Whether you're laying bathroom tile or installing kitchen backsplash, this tool ensures sharp, perfect corners every time. That wraps up our list. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews and top picks. Until next time, take care.